Let's understand how negative feedback loops work in the endocrine system and what happens to hormone secretion once homeostasis is restored. Homeostasis is the body's way of maintaining balance and stability. Think of it like a balance scale. When things are in equilibrium, everything is stable. Let's look at how a negative feedback loop works. When a stimulus disrupts homeostasis, the body responds by triggering hormone secretion from an endocrine gland. Let's take an example: blood glucose regulation. When blood glucose levels rise too high, the pancreas secretes insulin to bring glucose levels back down. Once homeostasis is restored and glucose levels return to normal, the secretion of insulin will decrease. This decrease prevents an overcorrection that could drop glucose levels too low. Therefore, in a negative feedback loop, once homeostasis is restored, the secretion from an endocrine gland will decrease. This decrease is the correct answer, as it helps maintain the delicate balance of our body systems. Understanding negative feedback loops is crucial for biology and medicine, as they help maintain the stability necessary for our bodies to function properly.